Hello and welcome to SigmaXL video tutorials. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the analysis of means, Poisson rates one-way tool, and Poisson rates two-way tools found within SigmaXL. Beginning with the ANOM Poisson rates one-way tool, we'll be using a sample data set found within SigmaXL called ANOM examples. To open the dataset, click SigmaXL, Help, Sample Data, and then find the file anomexamples.xlsx. Click on the Injection Molding Poisson Rate tab. This is injection molding data for contact lenses. It is from a study on the extent to which belt speed, or cure time, influences the incidence of nonconformities, such as bubbles and tears in the lenses. Since there can be more than one nonconformity per unit, Poisson ANOM is appropriate, similar to a U-control chart. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Analysis of Means, or ANOM, ANOM Poisson rates one way. Select Nonconformities. Click Numeric Data Variable Y. Enter 100 for subgroup or column size. Select belt speed. Click Optional Group Category X. Set alpha 0.05. Clicking OK will provide us with the ANOM Poisson rates one-way chart. From this ANOM chart, we can see that a belt speed of 15 results in a significantly known number of nonconformities, and a belt speed of 30 results in a significantly high number of nonconformities. To demonstrate ANOM Poisson rates two-way, click the ER Visits Poisson Rate tab. This is emergency room visits data. It is a factorial design study to investigate the effect of nurse intervention, 1 equals home nurse assigned, 2 equals home nurse not assigned, and pair groups 1, 2, or 3 on the ER utilization rates for patients with COPD, which is a serious lung disease. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Analysis of Means, or ANOM, ANOM Poisson rates two-way. Select ER Visits, click Numeric Data Variable Y. Select Sample Size, click Subgroup Column or Size, select Intervention, click Group Category Factor X1, select Pair, and click Group Category Factor X2. Ensure alpha level is 0.01. And adjust chart alpha for family-wise error rate is left unchecked. The ANOM Poisson rates two-way main effects, slice charts, interaction plots are shown. Since the interaction is not significant, with a p-value of greater than or equal to 0.1, the main effects charts are highlighted. Both factors, intervention and pair, are significant at alpha level 0.01. Home nurse assigned results in a significantly lower rate of ER visits versus no home nurse assigned. Payer type 1 has a significantly lower rate of ER visits, and type 2 has a significantly higher rate. This concludes the SigmaXL video tutorial for ANOM Poisson rates one-way and ANOM Poisson rates two-way tools found in SigmaXL. For more videos, visit www.sigmaxl.com or join us at our YouTube page. Thank you for watching.